of Rajapala. So he ruled around 1008. 1008. So in 1008 AD, when Rajapala ruled over the Kanauj, already Pratiharas controlled the Kanauj. A great Muslim invader started attacking on India. Around 17 times he attacked India. Who is that Muslim invader? Muhammad Ghazni. Muhammad Ghazni. So Muhammad Ghazni is the first Muslim invader. Okay, is it correct or not? It's not correct. So actually, Muhammad Ghazni, he invaded India between 1000 AD to 1025 AD. After Muhammad Ghazni, we have Muhammad Ghuri. This Ghuri, he started his invasions in 1175 to 1194 AD. So he is the second one and he is the third one. The first one is Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim. So this Muhammad bin Qasim, he attacked Sindh region in 712 AD. 712 AD. So what was the time gap between the first invader and second one? Around 300 years. Then between Ghazni to Ghori, it is around 150 years, 150 to 200 years. Now, though they attempted to establish their Muslim empire in India since 712 AD, they were not successful. Only in the 1200 AD, they were able to establish their empire. So in 1206 AD, Delhi Sultanate was formed. So around Muslim invaders, they have taken 500 years to establish in India. So in the 500 years, their entry was resisted. Their invasions were fiercely prevented by the Rajputs. Unless until the Rajputs were highly powerful, that no Muslim invader ventured into in mainland of North India. So probably a kind of striking attacks, lightning attacks. Your Muhammad Ghazni, he invaded 17 times. He skillfully bypassed all the forts. He never attempted to target the forts. He never had a pitched battle. His target is just raids on the temples. Because in India, temple culture was started in the Guptan period. So that is in the 400 to 500 AD. By the time of 1000 AD, you see the temples were evolved. And more temple complexes were created. And temple was not just only a religious body. A temple is an economic institution. Temple is a political institution. Traders, nobles, wealthy merchants, common masses, they started donating. They started donating the gold, diamonds, rubies. And your temples are not just the sacred places. And they are the treasures. They are the treasuries. The huge wealth was accumulated. So this man came to know about this and he started attacking only the temple towns. And he plundered all the temples. So when he started his attacks in 1000 AD, finally all the Rajputs, they wanted to prevent the attack of Muhammad Ghazni. The problem with the Rajputs is, these Rajputs were born warriors. There is no doubt. There is no doubt at all. Individually, they are highly powerful. They are so fierce. And they were brave, courageous. They were honest. They were honest also. But the problem here is, when you are honest, meritorious, and powerful, you would not bow down to the others. That's what the problem. You would not accept the authority of others. So within the Rajputs, there are 34 dynasties, 34 kings. There is no cooperation and coordination among all the Rajputs. Jealousies were there, non-cooperation. That's why a foreigner or foreign invader entered into India, that foreign invader defeated the Rajputs individually. So for the first time in 1000 AD, all the Rajputs were united. That is in the Vaihind battle. So in the Vaihind battle, all the Rajputs were united except this Rajapala. All the Rajputs were united to prevent the Muhammad Ghazni's attack. But this Rajapala, he escaped out of Kanauj. He escaped out of Kanauj when Muhammad Ghazni targeted the Kanauj. Then finally Chandela rulers, they prevented the Muhammad Ghazni. They fought against the Muhammad Ghazni. They got at the Kanauj. Finally they caught the Rajapala, because that Rajapala, he was a timid and cowardice, and he was called and he was killed by the Chandelas. Okay, that is Rajapala. Write down.